Welcome to Vicinity again. So today's topic I'll be talking about deletion of data. I'll be talking about the function of the deleting data and the export and import function of the data. So let's go ahead and access the management website. So the function of deleting data will be under setting, export, import, delete data. Also, this is the same thing under customer, export, and import. So the one that under the manage customer, this is specifically for the data of the customer. The the function under the setting export import data, this is specifically for all the salary, the tips, the turns, um, the shop income, etc. So this will delete everything as far as the payroll wise, and this here specifically only export and import the customer, but there's no deletion of the customer. Okay, both of them are pretty much the same thing. So let me go ahead and do one of them. So when I click on export, meaning that I am trying to save my data, so I click on export data, it will ask me confirm. I say click OK. Automatically then it will download a file called a database file. So with this database file, you can then save your data there. So let's say if I want to import data, I click on import. I go ahead and choose what type of file I want, and I look for that files that I just saved. Let me see here. So let me go to desktop. So I saved a file under download. So as we can see, this file here, see this database backup, that will be the file for you to install. So if you choose that, import data, it will ask you, are you sure you want to import? You click OK, then it will import the data, and it saying I successfully imported data. The other one is deleting data. So for example, if you press on this, it will delete everything, but it's asking you two options. Do I want to delete the date, or do I want to delete the whole entire data? Okay, so if I go ahead and click on the date, I could select the range from what field to what field. Let me see here, the July 7th. So I could select from what range to what range. So I click delete. It will ask me if I want to delete. I click OK. It will delete. So then let's go ahead and double check on that. But if we want to, let's say, delete the whole entire data, okay? Go delete data, delete. Click on delete. It will delete the whole entire data. So under my manage statistic, if I go to shop income, if I select from, let's say, last week, okay, notice that all the shop is 0 now because I delete everything. So you have to be very careful with this. Once you delete the data, it is gone. In another word, it will basically delete the database from your hosting company. So you have to be careful on using this function. Now let's say I go ahead and import that data from my saving import. Let's see here, download, document, import data, click OK. So let's go ahead and check back that statistic to see if we have any data from there. Okay, see, so now the total shop income is that. So this is how we import and export data. So this will conclude our import and export. Thank you for watching.